In this video, I'll show you how to transfer GCredit to your GCash wallet. First, here's the important part. Based on GCash's official help pages, you can't directly transfer GCredit into your GCash wallet balance. GCredit is meant to be used as a credit line for payments, not as cash that you move into your wallet. GCash shows GCredit as a payment option for supported purchases, while transfers to banks and e-wallets use your regular GCash wallet funds. So if you're looking for a button that says Transfer GCredit to Wallet, that option is not part of GCash's official flow. Instead, you can use GCredit when paying merchants or services that support it, and you can use the transfer feature only when you already have money in your actual GCash wallet. So the simple answer is, you cannot transfer GCredit directly to GCash wallet. You can only use GCredit for eligible payments, then repay the amount later through GCash. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.